Today I'm going to show you how to make espresso shortbread with black pepper dulce de leche filling. You're going to start off with some softened butter, around like 2 sticks or so. Powdered sugar, about half a cup. We are going to put espresso and vanilla extract. Now we get to our flour. It's just 2 cups, a little bit of salt. All right. Now we have our beautiful dough. Press this down lightly so that it's easier for us to roll it out. Always go in one direction. Cut the shapes that I want for my cookies. And I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees. I have all my cookies baked. So we're gonna decorate our cookies with our beautiful icing. Now we're gonna grab our dulce de leche filling. So this guy was slow cooked and it is infused with a little bit of salt and black pepper. Dab it in the middle. You can fill it as much as you want to or as little as you want to. All right, there you have it. Espresso and black pepper dulce de leche filled cookies. Enjoy. I'm Chef Paula Velez. I'm the co-founder of Bakers Against Racism. Bakers Against Racism gives bakers all over the world the opportunity to host their own virtual and in-person bake sales. They also have the opportunity to choose the organizations that they want to donate a portion of their proceeds to for social justice causes. Once the murder of George Floyd happened, everything came to a screeching halt. Bakers Against Racism provided a safe alternative to going outside in the middle of a pandemic. Originally, I had thought that if we just get 80 bakers to participate, all of us selling $1,200, we can raise $96,000. And for me at the time, that felt so lofty. And when we launched, we went absolutely viral within a few minutes. We had bakers from all across the globe participating. We had them in 200 plus US cities. We have raised over $2.5 million and counting.
We decided to make our sorghum and tahini cookies for Bakers Against Racism.
The proceeds of the bake sale went to 3 Part Harmony Farms. It's a 2-acre urban farm, bringing food sovereignty back to a community.
For the bake sale, I made matcha and black sesame shortbread cookies. We sold 189 orders of cookies, and then I matched that donation, so we raised almost $2,000.
The future of Bakers Against Racism is to continue to bake for social justice.
Thank you so much, Shabella. Big heart, big love, big thank you. You're brilliant. And if you guys want more information on how to get involved, you can visit bakersagainstracism.com.